Hello friends, in this video I will discuss one of the important organic molecular rearrangement called benzidine rearrangement. You know what is benzidine rearrangement? It is actually the rearrangement of hydrazobenzene to yield benzidine. You know hydrazobenzene is nothing but 1,2-diphenyl hydrazine. It is the derivative of hydrazine, 1,2-diphenyl hydrazine, which is converted to benzidine. Benzidine is nothing but 4,4-diamino biphenyl. 4,4-diamino biphenyl. It is formed under acidic condition on treating hydrazobenzene in presence of acid. The rearrangement takes place to form benzidine or 4,4-diamino biphenyl. See, it is 1,2-diphenyl hydrazine or hydrazobenzene, which on treating with the acid, rearrangement takes place forming 4,4-diamino diphenyl or biphenyl, and this rearrangement is called benzidine rearrangement. See, this unusual reaction is called benzidine rearrangement and can be observed with the substituted diphenyl hydrazine also. This benzidine rearrangement can also be observed with the substituted diphenyl hydrazine as well. Right. Then coming to the mechanism of this rearrangement, in accord with the experimental findings, a mechanism via a 5,5 sigmatropic rearrangement has been formulated for this rearrangement. In the first step, the hydrazobenzene is protonated to a dicationic species in which the phenyl groups can arrange in such a way to allow for rearrangement. You can see protonation of hydrazobenzene on reacting with the acid. You will get a dicationic species in which phenyl groups can arrange in such a way to allow for the rearrangement. You can see how this rearrangement taking place. The rearranged dicationic species, which has been shown to be an intermediate, it is the intermediate obtained in the benzidine rearrangement, leads to the stable benzidine upon deprotonation. You can see it is the dicationic species which rearranges like this by shifting this bond to bond in between nitrogen and carbon, and then pi electron shifts like this. By this rearrangement, you will get this dication, and from this dication, deprotonation takes place like this, aromatization followed by aromatization, forming this benzidine. That is the mechanism. Okay, it has been demonstrated by crossover experiments that the rearrangement does not proceed via a dissociation or recombination process. From the reaction of hydrazobenzene, the benzidine is obtained as the major product. About 70% of benzidine is obtained by this rearrangement. Together with the products from side reaction, for example, you will get 2,4-diamino biphenyl, about 30%, and a small amount of 2,2-diamino biphenyl, as well as ortho and para semidyl. You can see it is 2,4-diamino biphenyl, and it is 2,2-diamino biphenyl. In addition to this, we will get ortho and para semidyl. It is orthosemidyl, it is para semidyl. Okay, the rearrangement usually takes place in presence of strong mineral acids such as hydrochloric acid or sulfuric acid in aqueous solution or water alcohol mixture at room temperature. Okay, this is the mechanism of benzidine rearrangement, otherwise called benzidine semidine rearrangement. With this discussion, I think you might have well understood the concept of the mechanism of, benzidine semidine rearrangement, otherwise called benzidine rearrangement. I hereby conclude this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you.